Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLE 400 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 329 horsepower and 354 pounds torque. This one does come with custom black 19-inch alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. A ginger beige MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Plenty of space in the back. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch. GLE 400 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. A set of all-season floor mats. Cargo cover. Fold down rear seats. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, a natural grain brown ash wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition. This one also does come with the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with parking sensors. We've got navigation, hard keys for a neat media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. In our center console, we've got our dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE 400 has 19,026 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 400 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.